Did you know that humble box of baking soda sitting forgotten in your pantry could be the answer to over 20 common health problems and household challenges? Most people only use it for baking cookies or absorbing odors in their fridge, but this $1 wonder product has incredible uses that pharmaceutical companies would rather keep hidden from you. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on all of them, including one remarkable baking soda application that almost nobody knows about, which I'll reveal at the end of this video. So what is baking soda exactly? Its scientific name is sodium bicarbonate, a natural mineral found in deposits across the globe. Regions like California, Colorado, Kenya, and Mexico have abundant reserves of this mineral, sometimes called nalilite in its natural state. Baking soda is alkaline with a pH of around 9, which gives it the ability to neutralize acids effectively. This simple property is why it works so wonderfully at balancing acidity both in your body and around your home. This unassuming white powder truly is a multi-purpose miracle. And let me clear up a common confusion. Baking soda is not the same as baking powder. Baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, whereas baking powder contains sodium bicarbonate plus additional ingredients like acid salts. It's the pure form that delivers all these amazing benefits we're about to explore. Let's begin with a problem many of us face: heartburn and indigestion. That uncomfortable burning feeling in your chest after enjoying a meal can completely ruin your day. Here's where baking soda shines as a natural remedy. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize the stomach acid causing that painful sensation. According to health experts, this is precisely why many over-the-counter antacids include sodium bicarbonate as their primary active ingredient. For quick heartburn relief, many healthcare professionals recommend dissolving half a teaspoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water and slowly sipping it about an hour after eating. The rapid chemical reaction between the baking soda and your stomach acid helps alleviate that uncomfortable burning naturally and cost-effectively. I can personally attest that this works remarkably better than spending money on expensive antacids at the drugstore. You're getting the same active ingredient at a fraction of the price. This exceptional acid-neutralizing property also makes baking soda tremendously effective for oral health. Were you aware that baking soda possesses natural antibacterial qualities that help combat bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, which leads to tooth decay? That's exactly why numerous toothpaste brands incorporate baking soda as an ingredient. It freshens breath, whitens teeth, and decreases harmful bacteria in your mouth. For a simple yet effective mouth rinse, combine 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. This gentle solution is so effective that some oncologists even recommend it to cancer patients experiencing mouth discomfort during chemotherapy treatments. The benefits of this wonder powder extend well beyond your mouth. If you've suffered from painful canker sores or mouth ulcers, baking soda can provide significant relief. These tiny but intensely painful sores can make eating and talking difficult, but baking soda's alkaline properties help neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing irritation and creating conditions less favorable for bacteria. So, get this. A major study at the Sunnybrook Oral Health Clinic treated more than 3,000 patients suffering from persistent mouth sores using baking soda rinses. And the results were, honestly, pretty remarkable. They saw a 70% reduction in lesions, especially when folks used it regularly. You can just mix a small amount of baking soda with water to make a paste, apply it right to the sore, or rinse your mouth with a baking soda solution 3 times a day. This method is safe even for kids, and it really provides fast pain relief, making mealtime so much more comfortable. The healing powers of baking soda don't stop at your mouth. They actually extend to your skin as well. If you're dealing with itchy skin from insect bites or mild irritations, a simple paste of baking soda and water can deliver quick relief. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize the acids in insect venom, and honestly, it soothes irritated skin really well. And for anyone struggling with rough, dry skin on elbows, knees, or feet, baking soda makes a wonderful, gentle exfoliant. Just mix it with a little water to form a paste, gently massage it onto your skin, and then rinse off for smoother, softer skin. Here's something a lot of people might not know. Baking soda can actually help resolve fungal infections. Its antifungal properties make it effective against various fungal groups, including those that are responsible for skin and nail infections. Now let's discuss a condition affecting millions of people: joint pain and inflammation. This might come as a surprise, but baking soda could help those suffering from arthritis pain. A groundbreaking 2018 study discovered that baking soda may create an anti-inflammatory environment in the body. Researchers found that when test subjects consumed a solution of baking soda mixed with water, they experienced reduced joint inflammation and a more balanced immune response. For arthritis sufferers, some healthcare practitioners recommend mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drinking it once daily, preferably following a meal. The research showed promising results with significant reduction in joint inflammation and a more balanced immune response. But remember, and this is crucial, this should only be done under medical supervision, especially if you have high blood pressure or heart conditions. This anti-inflammatory effect perfectly complements how baking soda can support one of your body's most vital filtration systems, your kidneys. Your kidneys perform essential functions in your body. They filter your blood, remove toxins, and maintain fluid balance. However, conditions like chronic kidney disease can impair these crucial functions. Scientific research indicates that baking soda might help support kidney health. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology revealed something pretty remarkable. Patients with chronic kidney disease who took sodium bicarbonate supplements were significantly less likely to experience rapid progression of their kidney disease. So how does it work? Well, the bicarbonate helps buffer acids in the body, which in turn reduces strain on the kidneys. This is especially important because when kidneys aren't functioning optimally, they really struggle to eliminate acid from the body. The study showed that after 2 years, participants who regularly consumed bicarbonate reduced their risk of progressing to kidney failure by an impressive 36%. They also showed improvement in combating metabolic acidosis, which is a common condition in kidney patients. The alkalizing effects of baking soda don't just benefit your kidneys, they can also provide relief for another common and uncomfortable condition, especially among women. Ladies, this one's particularly for you. Urinary tract infections can be incredibly uncomfortable, and women experience them more frequently than men. The burning sensation, the constant urge to urinate, it's truly miserable. A 2017 scientific study found that baking soda could help alleviate UTI symptoms in women with acidic urine. After 4 weeks of oral baking soda supplementation, the women's urine became more alkaline, and they reported significant improvement in their symptoms. This makes baking soda a simple, affordable option for supporting UTI recovery, particularly when the urine is acidic. But please, always consult with your doctor before attempting this approach. Are you physically active? Do you exercise regularly? Then you'll appreciate this next benefit that connects perfectly with our discussion about acid neutralization. Baking soda has been studied for its potential to enhance exercise performance and recovery. During intense exercise, lactic acid accumulates in our muscles, causing that burning sensation and fatigue. The alkaline nature of baking soda may help neutralize this acid. Research suggests that consuming baking soda before exercise might improve performance during high-intensity activities. Scientists refer to this as bicarbonate loading, and studies indicate it may have a moderate positive effect on athletic performance during sustained, strenuous exercise lasting between 1 and 7 minutes. After working out, soaking in a warm bath with half a cup of baking soda added may help neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles, potentially reducing soreness and accelerating recovery. One small clinical study involving 8 healthy male subjects found that consuming baking soda before intermittent cycling actually improved their sprint performance. Now here's the special information that most people don't know about that I promised at the beginning. While this is still in the research phase, it's fascinating and potentially life-changing. Scientists have discovered that baking soda might help in the fight against cancer. How? Cancer cells thrive in acidic environments, and baking soda can increase the pH of acidic tumors without affecting the pH of healthy tissues and blood. Research has shown that oral doses of sodium bicarbonate can raise tumor pH and inhibit metastases in animal models of breast cancer. So, just to be clear, this doesn't mean that baking soda is a cancer cure, absolutely not. But, it does show how this simple compound might eventually play a role in complementary cancer treatments. The research is still ongoing, but honestly, it really highlights the potential power of this humble kitchen ingredient. Before we conclude, I must share some important safety information. While baking soda is natural and generally safe, it's not suitable for everyone, and, honestly, excessive amounts can cause problems. Baking soda is high in sodium. 1 teaspoon contains 1,259 milligrams of sodium. Therefore, people with high blood pressure, heart conditions, kidney disease, or those following sodium-restricted diets should be extremely cautious about internal use. If you do take baking soda internally, experts recommend these guidelines never exceed 3½ teaspoons in a day. If you're over 60 years old, limit it to no more than 1½ teaspoons daily. Don't use the maximum dosage for longer than 2 weeks. Always ensure the baking soda is completely dissolved in water. Sip the solution slowly. Don't gulp it down. Don't take it on a full stomach, and don't give it to children under 6 years of age unless directed by a doctor. Side effects of excessive baking soda consumption can include nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in rare cases more serious complications like seizures or heart problems. Also, avoid taking baking soda within 2 hours of other medications as it can interfere with their effectiveness. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid internal use of baking soda unless specifically recommended by their healthcare provider. So there you have it, the extraordinary power of baking soda. From relieving heartburn and supporting kidney health to enhancing exercise recovery and potentially even playing a role in cancer research, this unassuming white powder truly is a miracle substance. Remember, nature often provides simple solutions to complex problems, and baking soda perfectly exemplifies this wisdom. For just $1 or less per box, you can harness the power of this versatile compound for your health and home. What's your favorite use for baking soda? Have you tried any of these health remedies? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.